So another thing in thinking through a wardrobe that is different from a walk-in closet, in most closets, the clothes will be sticking out into the space. So these sections that separate the different areas don't need to be as deep. With a wardrobe, by its nature, wardrobe or armoire, things are behind closed doors is really the difference. So when we deal with hanging clothes, these sections needed to be 24 inches deep, because if it had been 18 or 19, when these doors shut, it wouldn't want to shut because the hangers stick out usually 20 to 21 inches. The other thing is to work within what you have available. So we'll walk over here and you will see that there is a door jamb here. So we had to really tuck this system in behind there. And then what we did is use things that weren't as deep, like the shoes, that would go inside of that space. So all of these things can be varied in a system as far as heights and depths and widths, and it's really going to be driving by the clothes that you have, if we're hanging them, folding them, and then also what we call obstructions. So in here, we had an air vent, so we didn't want that vent to be, our section to be here. We wanted it to be within one of these sections. And if I opened up a drawer in here, there is an area where there's literally an outlet over here for the lighting inside of there too. So we have to be thoughtful of what we call in our business the obstructions as well. To learn more, go to innovatehomeward.com or give us a call 614-545-6888.